Hi guys, Jennifer here. Welcome back to my channel. I have a share from ATatteredDream, and this is her. She made an embellishment pack here with lace. Was her basically like her shabby chic embellishment or inspiration kit, and then she also had a lace sampler. And these are avocado dyed, so I'm going to share these with you. She had a sale on Instagram, and on her Instagram she posts her progress and it gets you excited. So she didn't have much left after all that, and I really wanted to get one last time and I wasn't able to, so I got it this time, and I can't wait to show this to you. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so sweet. Look at this. Isn't this just fun? There's lots of little goodies. And look how pretty this. It's like a mint green with these pretty pink flowers. So on here she has a little cluster, flower, sparklies. And let's go ahead and open what she's got here. Oh my gosh, she has a little glassine envelope with goodies in here. She's got some little bits. So cute. And then in this little pretty embellished bag, get some ideas, ladies, because this is so cute. So in there she has a tag that's embossed, and then these French cards. That is so cute. I can use that in a journal just like that. And then look at this pretty pink fiber. So cute. And this tag. Oh, it's a tag in a bag. Look how cute. I love having embellishments already done. That's fun. Oh, and Edith Holden paper. Book page. Look how cute. There's another bag here with an embellished tag. It's so pretty. And then, look at that. These are so fun. This is just like a little gift. I should have put it under my Christmas tree and waited for Christmas. That is so cute. So these are, oh, this is a time card. It's a trifold. She decorated the front. Isn't that cute? Ooh, that's pretty. That flower is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then, so I've got another bag decorated, and look how cute, the little heart with this pretty pink trim. That is so gorgeous. And then here's some lace. Look at that. She embossed the tag. That's so cute. I love how she did that. And then, let's see. Oh, little file folders. How cute. Little mini file folders. And then, look at this. She decorated the little mini CD envelope. And inside, she has a bunch of these. Little tabs. So cute. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's so cute. I love the bags. They're so fun. And look how pretty this trim is. It's sparkly. You know I love sparkly. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Ooh, look at this. It's an envelope. I thought it was attached to it. That's so cute. Little coin envelope. All decorated up. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, a larger coin envelope. Oh, I love it. What's inside? Oh, that's so cute. It's like a little place to journal. That is really cute. And then look at this sparkly trim in gold. Love this green trim right here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. What do we have here? Oh, we got a larger trifold time card and this pretty tag and this lace. Oh, look at these, both of these laces. How cute. That's so pretty. Oh, I love it. This is so fun. Look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous lace. Wow. And this cute little tag. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, what does she have in here? Some more laces. That is so cute with the doily. Oh my gosh, look at this lace. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gorgeous. Wow. That's like hoard vault material. So pretty. Oh, look at that. A CD envelope. And inside, she's got, let's see. Oh, die cuts. Doily shaped. The, I forget what that's called. I remember that as a kid. Doilies and the butterfly. How cute. And then I see the dress forms in there. So cute. Oh, I love that little wood tag. It's so cute. I know, everything's cute. Sorry, it is. Oh, look at that. She's already embossed all these different ones for us. That's so cool. They're different. Nice. And then here's a Edith Holden book page envelope she sewed. How cute. Love it. And then inside she's got little goodies. Oh, something's in there. Look at the little paper clip. And little goodies like die punched out and stamped on, and super sweet. That is so cute. And then some papers for journaling. Oh, and inside she's got more die cuts. Oh, I love these frames. Love that. And oh, look at that. Beautiful rose die cut. And a heart. She's embossed. Look at that rose paper. So pretty. Oh, and a frame. This is awesome. Look at these. She decorated that photo. And then this playing card. Oh, and little tiny punch outs of butterflies. So cute. And our tall tag, little skinny tags. I love these. Beautiful papers. Looks like a Raw Me Hush Shop. Let's see. Oh, that's a cute little bag that it's in. I didn't realize it was a bag. That is cute. You could fold that in half and put it in a journal signature. Look at all the extras in here. Some doilies. Oh, wow, look at all the doilies. I love these little square ones. Oh, and look at that one. It's like embossed. Look at all these different doilies, different sizes. Beautiful. How fun. Now, she has a lot of these types of things in her shop, so they just won't be the handmade items. I'll leave her Etsy and her Instagram down below. Oh, these are fun. Oop. Oh yeah, I got lots of ephemera. Look at this. I'm gonna have to create with some of these things. That's a pretty embossing. I love that. That's cute. Papers. Oh, these are nice papers. 6x6. They're like my mind's eye. And let's see. Some more goodies in here. Oh my goodness, there's a lot in here. Woo! Music paper. Oh yay, it's a Christmas one. I don't have many of the Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh, there's just a little bit of everything, you guys. Wax paper embossed, braille paper, wax paper embossed. How fun. Oh my gosh, Denise, this is really awesome. There's just so much in here. Such a huge variety. And that was just the paper portion, and this is another portion. Wow, I can't believe how much stuff you get in here. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, look at these trims. Look how sweet that trim. It's so dainty. Little florals. Oh, look at these rosettes. I like how she did that. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, look at all the different trims. Look how cute that is. That's adorable. Wow. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Is that sweet or what? I love eyelet. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. And this little panel lace, oh, little cute little, that's pretty. And then look at this. I love that. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Oh, there's fabrics under here. Oh my goodness, girl. Look at that. I love this. This is so fun. Pretty little polka dots. Cute fabrics. Oh my goodness. There's that one that I just showed in the beginning. Pretty florals. Look how pretty that is. It looks so vintage. How fun. Oh my goodness. And look at the chenille. Love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, we finally got through the inspiration kit. So let me put that over here. Oh wait, no, I didn't even see what, oh, these are like fibers. Look how fun. Oh, look at that. She put some rosettes in there too. So fun. Oh my goodness. See if I can make room. Okay, so here's a thank you. There's little goodies in there. And then, oh, look at this. Gorgeous. This is the Avocado dyed lace sampler. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, so you can see the ones on top. I love all the different shades she got here. Love this, how that turned out. Oh my goodness. So gorge. Look at that. What a pretty color all these turned out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty, that color. This color is like on point. Wow, gorgeous. They're so cute. All the shades look so pretty together. That's pretty too. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look how pretty. Turned out so pretty, Denise. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Beautiful pink. Wow. And look at this pink. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is incredible. Look at this. Wow. Man, these turned out so pretty. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, those are going to be hard to use, but they are drop dead gorgeous. All right, guys. I mean, I am jam-packed here with stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Don't be mad at me that I got this kit. I know that they're not available, but you know, stay tuned. She's always working on new things. All right, guys. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye for now.